Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be having me some potatoes. I've been craving them. Ain't had them for days. My good old broccoli and cheese and some grilled chicken. Ooh, the plate hot, the plate hot. Look at it, go get you some. Now you know that look good. And it look like it's a whole lot. But I'm gonna eat it. I need to put my potatoes back here so when I put that ketchup at it, I'm gonna be dropping it everywhere, hopefully. Let me pray. Woo, it feels like it's gonna rain out here. Well, like it's been threatening, looking like it's gonna rain all day. Lord, look at me shaking up water. Really? Shaking it up. Shaking it up. I ain't quite as thirsty right now because I just been drinking a little bit. But it look good though. Let me stir up my broccoli. Ooh, let's stir it up. Oh, don't broccoli's so good. I'm telling you. And broccoli good for you. Oh, broccoli's really good for you. It is so good. Get back in there, cheese. Where you think it's going to? Get in there. Cause I'm gonna eat you. I'm hungry too. All I had there is a banana. Had a banana today. That banana was good too, nice and sweet. I should have got me some Parmesan cheese and spread it over that grilled chicken. Oh, Parmesan cheese ain't over here. I forgot that. I had asked my husband, can you go get that for me, honey? Lord, now you know I'm. Stop it. Stop. Falling off the plate. Okay. Oh, I put a little ketchup on it. I'm gonna give y'all a big bite of broccoli. Because if you ain't had no vegetables today, you need to get you a good old big bite. Get you a big bite of broccoli. Because if you ain't had your vegetables today, then you get this bite right here, then you had something. Until you get some later. Good. Ketchup. Y'all know me eat more ketchup in there. I think I might have ate this whole bottle of ketchup almost by myself. I don't remember seeing much of nobody using ketchup but me. I think I ate this whole bottle of ketchup all by myself. That's why I got some more. I keeps ketchup. We bound by the 2 big packs. 2 big packs. They're good. Well, what are y'all having today? What have y'all been doing? No, I ain't been doing much of nothing. You get up in the morning, you gotta get started. Cheese be on the phone. Gotta get it off. You know how to stick to the phone. It feels so cloudy. Like it's gonna rain any time out here. My daughter called me 7 o'clock to eat her lunch at work. And she said, is it like that down there too? They always get the rain before we do. Rain before I come that way. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. Guess what, y'all? I'm planning on doing my ASMR. But now I'm trying to decide what I'm going to eat. When I do it. Can y'all see that? Yeah. I'm planning on going to get it done. See if I can be quiet long enough. Yeah, I hope so. You don't put me talking. I see people cheating on it though. They don't put me talking. But they be like, I can't talk loud, but I can whisper. I hate ketchup today. You know ASMR. I mean, the ASMR I thought was to be quiet and don't talk. That's what I thought, man. Unless I got the wrong interpretation of it. I thought you're supposed to just hear the click when you open a soda. Like if I open a bottle of water, hear the plate when it clicking. Lord, that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. Since I love crab so much. And it takes me a long time to eat crab and I'm talking. Well, my husband said that last week and the other day anyway. If you want, I said, you finished. If you want talking, you be finished too. Oh, okay, honey. I hear you. But I think I do crabs. And y'all hear me cracking them crabs and all that. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I ain't going to get the whole channel for no ASMR. And I hope I can incorporate on this channel. But I ain't trying to do it all the time. I just want to try it out, see if I can do it without talking. I finished to the rim. Go. Let me let y'all get a little drink first. Don't that look good? Don't that look good? Ain't nothing like it. Ah. I'm gonna ask y'all a question today. Comment down below what state you live in. So I can try to remember the name and know where you live. I'm here trying to remember y'all now. Especially the old faithfuls. Y'all remember old faithfuls. Comment down below what state you live in. See who coming from the most. See how many people coming from the what state got the most people coming here and here. All this cheese on the phone. I don't like when the onion get a little burnt, get a little hard. Me and my daughter was talking earlier today for a minute while we're cooking. And I'm gonna ask y'all what I told asked her. Do y'all really believe all these big time companies that were soaring in sales? You believe they really going under now? You believe they really have taken a big hit? I can't stay in operation. Oh Lord, look what I've done. Yeah, I dropped some. And it's a mop. We're gonna be alright. Because we might ask, according to statistics, now that all this is going on, we got so many people at home. They're either at home working or they're not working. But they're saying that they're doing, Amazon had to hire a whole lot more people. They fulfill them orders. So somebody doing some shopping. Now, I don't know where the shopping at, but somebody doing some shopping. So I'm wondering, are they really going under? Or are they just trying to say they're doing bad? Just probably try to start over again for bankruptcy. I don't know. I'm just wondering. But people are shopping. Oh, they fell back plate. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe somebody might work in a department store. Listen in the comment section. But they ain't gonna tell y'all nothing, no way. They're gonna have to go. Well, we don't know how long you're gonna have a job. That's what they say. Things don't look too good these days. Economy that my husband talks. Yeah, I'm scared. I'm scared. Let the economy may drop. Come on, honey. Come on, honey. We ain't going there. We supposed to trust in God. Praying that it don't happen. Come on now. I mean, I know anything can happen. Don't y'all get me wrong. I'm trying to focus on it. You really want to think the best. Yep. There are people still saying their job booming. There are some people saying the job went under. I know the unemployment rate back was terrible. I really don't know how to look now. Because unless it flashes across my phone, come down on my notification. A fly trying to get him out. A bug trying to get him out. I saw him. Try to get him out. If you don't, really, he better not. If you don't, if it don't come on my phone, down to my notification, I don't know what's going on. I don't look at no news. I don't turn no news on every day. Look at no news every day. Ain't nothing good news but bad stuff. Nope. My husband is a CNN freak. Sit there and look at it all the time. I know he do. I know he ain't stop. I don't do that stuff. It's depressing. Every time the news on is always something bad. You don't hear nothing in the news all the time, something terrible and stuff. You hear enough. Could you imagine? You type of person, you're hyper, easy to get upset, stuff work on your nerve, and you sit there and you clicking that TV from the local news to CNN, New York Post, whatever they got. I don't know. You just going through them tech channel. When you hear from one place, you click, they try to find something else. They talk about it. And then when you not my Barbara, did you hear this on the news? No. I told you what wrong with you. You don't never know what's going on the news. Nope. Because like to me, it's depressing you because it's making you upset. So like to me, you don't need to look at news either. And that's the truth. If it gets to you to the point, now you can't sleep at night because you scared. Is this going to happen? This going to happen? Because everybody on the news talking about it. You need to turn the news off too. Bishop preached that too. Stop looking at so much news if it's depressing you. You know, if you say you can handle it, it ain't bothering you. But it got to bother you to a certain extent. You're only tired of hearing bad stuff. Don't about when people hear no bad stuff. Every time I tell me stuff that happen on the news, stuff be going on. You know. I know if the state of storm come, I might view and see if it's coming our way. And if it is, how bad it will be. That's only because it's a storm. I want to get prepared. I want to get ready. Yep. Now, I ain't nothing wrong with the news. I ain't gonna say I ain't gonna never ever gonna look at it, gonna do nothing. No. I don't let it consume me because I'm not looking at it every day. No problem. I don't know when last time I looked at local news. Down here we stay. And that's it too. Nope. No. Always somebody thick fat in somebody's body. Till you gotta wait till they identify, you know. Somebody shot up something. All this here stuff depressing. It really is. It really is depressing. I hope and pray wherever you live, stay safe out here. Cool. I believe we really is living in the last evil days. Sad. Telling you. I hope y'all can see this is a deep plate. There's more food than it look like in there. I had this. I want dessert to go with there. I'm glad my brain was bigger than my belly. I said, don't do it, girl. Don't do it. I was trying to force myself to eat and I've been full. Man, I'll never get too full for broccoli. If that broccoli going off that plate, if ain't nothing else going off that plate, that broccoli going off that plate. I think it's sad to leave my broccoli on the plate and don't eat it. Being careful with this box today. I don't want to hit them dentures, them fillings. Well, time for children to go back to school. If they're going back, one school. I did hear come across the radio. So now I heard news, flash across the radio and stuff like that. Flash on my phone. If I go on Instagram, stuff like that. Yeah, for real. Say they were paying to go back to school. Had all set for the kids to come back to school. And 2 teachers tested positive for coronavirus. And then they can't go back to school. But they know that. I mean, come on now. If y'all gonna go on whether or not the kids go back to school because of this, how in the world? That's just foolery. Because you know, no matter what, when school open, if the children going back to school, somebody gonna eventually, or more than somebody's, gonna eventually test positive. What do you do? Children been in school a couple months, 2-3 months, really gonna stop going? Just going on do virtual. Be done with it. Lord, have mercy. Go do virtual. Go do it. Kids at risk anyway when you do it. They're going in the classroom. Go do virtual. Yeah, go and do it. Well, you ain't gonna tell me the school system ain't got enough money to purchase a laptop for all these kids. Yes, they do. I mean, work at school. They got it. I believe they got it. But if that's what they want to do with it. But I believe they got it. Or even if they tell the parents, we pay 50%, you pay 50%. It's better than nothing. But I believe most of them function. The ones gonna function like that, gonna provide. That's what I believe. Because I'm quite sure they get funding for stuff like that. They got to. If they don't, put in the stimulus pack for the school, for the kid. So the kid can make sure they have education. They said no child left behind. That's what they said now. No child left behind. I'm going to make sure everybody get it. And Latina ones too. First grade. When they start, they get work done. They got to have work done. I'll throw device software on there for they need. That we used to do at school. We had a technology class. A classroom. We'll sit there with all computers and everything, laptops and everything. And the children that took turns in that class and they're going in there. And they all was set up according to their needs. Schools I used to work at. That's how I was. I'm quite sure like that now. These little children there tell us how, let you be computer illiterate if you want to. Some little teenage children can tell you how to do it. Nah, don't go like that. No, mama, no, daddy. This is how you do it. They know how to do it. They know how to do it. I bet someone can break the code on your computer. The password know how to get in there. That's how smart they are. Sometimes think deeper than the parents. Now, what will mama or daddy use for their password? You know how some parents say they don't want to forget it. I use my birthday. Don't use your birthday. Your anniversary. Your middle name. What year you got married. What year you were born. Come on, y'all. Them kids too smart for that. And they smart to crack the code. No one else tell you. Keep on getting in there. And look, that's all in that. And can cover their tracks when they come out. Did you never know they've been in there if you don't know how to do it? Yeah, you kids smart. They are whiz. They are computer whiz. They are real smart. These kids are real smart. Yes, they do. I heard someone say, I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't even know how to cut the computer on. You better off your kids on. So you gotta get them to help you cut it on and help you set it up and put the password in. Or you think you know that's wrong, they're gonna know no different, but they got you. Let's do you. They got you. Take a computer class. Everything is done online these days. You don't have to go out your house. Everything done online. You do everything online. Ooh, yes indeed, everything is done online. But then I eat up all this up, a little bit of chicken. It was good too. I was hungry. So I should be eating all this meat. But broccoli and potatoes. Ooh, they good. Woo! Well, y'all, I'm chit-chatting long enough. But for real, let's hope and pray. Pray for our little kids today. That's going to either go back in the classroom or they're going to be taught online. That they'll get their education. Don't let the enemy steal their education from them. I believe it's a spirit in the land trying to press them children down, especially when trying to excel. And, you know, got that mind to go to be doctor, lawyers, or whatever they want to be. No matter what they want to be in life. They got to get educated to get there. Let's pray for the land, y'all. Pray for the kids. If they got to go in the classroom, Lord, just protect them. Just cover them with your blood. Watch over them, please. All of us. Just watch over us. Yes, indeed. Try to teach your children all you can know how. Act like it's the worst thing in the world. I ain't trying to scare them to death, but yeah, put a little bit of fear in the house so they'll know not to do stuff. Yeah, get your hand to your mouth. I know you don't want to go to hospital. Especially they're scared of doctors and hospitals. You don't want to go to the hospital. You don't want to go to the doctor. So you make sure if you go in this classroom, you keep your hands from your face and your mouth. Don't wipe your eyes and stuff. Give them little antibacterial bottles if you got them. Put in their pockets and in their book bags. It's best in their pockets if they got pockets. So they have everywhere they go. Tell them put a little bit, squirt a little bit on the hand when they touch stuff. Yeah. Huh. I used to teach my children like that. We ain't going through now. I had my little girl, let y'all go and I tell y'all this little story. I had my girl when she first started school. Her brother was 5 years older than her. But they was in separate schools when she went to school because of the age difference. So they had to transfer from buses. And I told her, I dwell in her too. When you go to school, if you don't see your brother on that bus, you don't get on that bus at all. You don't get in the car with nobody. You don't go nowhere with nobody. I don't care if they tell you I sent them to pick you up, or your dad sent to pick you up. I don't care what they tell you. You don't get in the car. You don't go with nobody nowhere. You heard me? Yeah, I told her. I told that girl for months until she went to school. See, my son went. I had an older girl. She was in high school. She looked like my son. Made sure he was on the bus. He went on the bus. She didn't let that bus leave that school because she had less. And I communicated with her, let her know if I was going to pick him up early, something be wrong. So the superintendent secretary, I don't know how it happened that she got left in the classroom. Now, don't ask me how it happened. Got left in the classroom. Really? So she had to get her in the car to get her up to her bus, to get her on the bus so she can get home. She would get that car with that woman. She made that woman so mad. She said, get in the car. I said, get you in the bus. My mama said, I can't get in the car with nobody I don't know. She said, you ought to know me. I work at school. She said, you see the bus, I'm going to take you to the bus. No, my mama said, I can't get in the car with nobody. And she was running a fit on her. Lord, she got so mad. I don't know how they got in the car. If they got in the car, she claims she got in the car. I don't know how. Lord, when she got to that bus, she was too through. My daughter had dragged her down. When she seen her brother, she ran on that bus. But see, I told her that's my problem. I didn't know she could take a script, but I don't know people kidnap people, kids from school and different. Let me let y'all go. Okay, YouTube world. Comment, like, and share this video. Give me a thumbs up. And I hope you like what you have heard today. And I'm tired. When I could have came, I'm going to laugh about that thing. It was funny the way I did. But anyway, subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I would sure appreciate it. Until next time, take care.